Let's say that your case number is 10,000. Did you know that it doesn't necessarily mean that there are 9,999 cases before you? And I'm going to show you why. And I will show you how to check how many cases are before you. This is because there are some cases that are holds, and these are cases that are not active. So you might find yourself with a 10,000 case number, but with only maybe 5,000 cases before you. Hello friends, I hope that you are all doing well. So I'll be showing you today how to check how many case numbers are before you and after you, and how to interpret the data that you get when check your case number. Please, if you've not yet subscribed, consider subscribing so that you won't miss any of our discussions. Also, recommend people who are in the process of their immigration and would need this information so that they can also benefit from this. I will put the links to the pages that I'm going to open in the description area of this video, so you can click on them to access the information I'm going to show you and follow the steps that I'm giving you to access that information. Then you click on this menu. Then I'll go to DV 2023 CEAC data. Okay. So this is for the DV lottery 2023, DV 2023. So you scroll down to this part. To this part, how many cases there are before and after me. If you are a DV selectee, you can check how many cases are in front of you by filling out the form below. So you need to have a case number, and the case number you need to, when you're typing it here to check, don't include the zeros. Okay, so for example, let me try to type any number here, not specific to anyone. This is just a random number I'm trying to check. The good thing is it doesn't give the name of the person. So if it's a valid number, case number, then we are going to get the information. So you can see this case number is a whole. It means that it is not an active case number. Let me try another one. Okay, and that one is a valid case number, active case number. You can see. For case number 1937 from the region AF Africa, DV 2023, there are 1015 cases before. Okay, remember the case number is 1937, and maybe you could have thought that there are 1936 cases before it, but you can see here it says there are 1015 cases before. Okay, because there are some holes, there are some cases which are not active before the 1937, and then you're told after the 1937 there are 28,319 after you in the AF region. AF region, that is Africa. That is from all the embassies in Africa. So for the region AF, there are 28,319 cases after you. Okay, so up to that point, we can tell that for sure. It doesn't mean that if I am case number 20,000, that it is not, you cannot say that there are 19,999 cases before you. There are much, much less than that. Then from the same information, it says that yields approximately 1,700 people before and 47,418 after you. And then the question comes, how comes the cases are 1,015, but it's approximately 1,700 people? This is because for the 1,115 cases, the main applicants plus the derivatives or the dependents in the application is what is totaling to 1,700 people from the 10-15 cases, and 47,418 after you. Remember, after there were 28,319 cases. Out of these cases, they have 47,418 people. This is because there is a main applicant and all the dependents under that application. That's why the number is high. So that's how you check. We can try a different number. Let's say 19,372. You can see that case number is a whole. So it is not active. Let's try something else. And by that active one. So you can see for 19,000, case number 19,359 from the region Africa, DV 2023, there are 10,113 cases before and 19,221 after you in the AF region. So you can see out of the 19,359, you could have imagined there are 19,358 cases before you, but that's not true. You can see there are only 10,113 cases before you, and after you, there are 19,221. Then this yields approximately 16,933 people. So the 10,113 cases before yields 16,933 people. So I hope you understand why that is the case. And 19,221 after you. And this yields 32,184 after you. So I hope still you can tell why. This is because the main applicant has included the dependents, and that yields a higher number of the people as compared to the cases. Friends, that's all for this discussion. I hope you found this information useful. If you did, please consider subscribing, like this video, and let's grow together. I hope to see you all in the next videos. Bye.